Buying a pickup truck in 2026 can feel like a full-time job. New trims, engine swaps, and tech upgrades pop up faster than most of us can keep track of, and it's easy to end up with a truck that looks good on paper but drives you crazy in real life. That's where Mad Mechanic YouTube channel comes in, cutting through the noise and giving you the straight scoop. In this video, we're going to cover the 4 worst pickups hitting the market this year and the pitfalls you definitely want to avoid. Then, we'll turn to the bright side and announce the 4 best pickups that actually make sense to buy. Time to call it out. These are the pickups that aren't worth your money. Join us as we explore the world of wheels. Subscribe now and buckle up for the adventure. Number 4. 2026 Toyota Tundra. The truck might catch your eye with its rugged looks and the promise of Toyota reliability, but buying one this year comes with a few headaches you don't want. Even though the company has tried to fix some past engine and transmission issues, problems are still cropping up, with some models experiencing premature failures barely after 20,000 miles. There's also the software glitch affecting the rearview camera, and the display can go green or black while reversing. That's definitely not something you want happening in your driveway. Toyota swapped the previous white interior for a dark gray leather trim called Shale Premium. It looks cleaner, but it's a departure from what some buyers actually like, and it feels like they're still figuring out the interior design balance. Add to that reports of rattling noises from the bed and windshield, misaligned doors, and random electrical quirks, and the picture gets murky fast. On paper, the Tundra still has its strengths, but in 2026, it's carrying over enough lingering issues to make it one of the pickups worth skipping if you want a trouble-free truck. Number 3. 2026 Jeep Gladiator. If you're in the market for a pickup that can handle the daily grind and the weekend trail, the 2026 Jeep Gladiator might not be your best bet. Sure, it's a beast off-road, but that ruggedness comes with trade-offs that can make everyday driving a hassle. First off, the Gladiator's solid front axle, a hallmark of its off-road prowess, can lead to the dreaded death wobble. This violent shaking of the steering wheel, often triggered by hitting a bump or pothole at highway speeds, is a known issue among owners. While some swear by steering stabilizers as a fix, the problem often points to deeper suspension and steering component wear, which can be costly to fix. Then there's the Gladiator's unapologetic off-road focus. Its setup makes it a trail king and a city dweller's nightmare. The ride can be jarring on paved roads, and parking in tight spots feels like an Olympic sport. Adding to the uncertainty, Jeep's parent company, Stellantis, has recently canceled plans for the Gladiator 4xe plug-in hybrid, citing shifting consumer demand and technical setbacks. So while the Gladiator is a dream for off-road enthusiasts, anyone seeking versatility, which is most buyers, will look elsewhere. Number 2. 2026 Ford Ranger. It is a capable midsize truck, but it falls short in several key areas that make it less appealing for many buyers. One of the most recent drawbacks is the absence of the Ranger Super Duty in the US market. Impressive features, especially a towing capacity of nearly 10,000 pounds, will remain out of reach for American buyers. This decision is disappointing for those seeking a more robust midsize truck option. Additionally, while Ford is dominating all other truck segments, the Ranger doesn't quite measure up in the midsize category. Competitors like the Toyota Tacoma and Chevrolet Colorado are offering better off-road capabilities and more advanced features. Strange to hear that, but the blue oval somehow lags behind in this class. The Ranger has been updated, but issues like recalls for side curtain airbags that may tear during deployment can raise safety concerns and shake confidence in its reliability. Number 1. 2026 Chevy Silverado 1500. This is the truck that brings some serious headaches. Its V8 engines have been plagued by failures, especially with the dynamic fuel management system and lifters, leading to rough idling and misfires. Confidence in GM trucks, both Silverado and Sierra, has taken a hit, and it's easy to see why. Owners don't want to roll the dice on a truck that could leave them stranded. But there is a silver lining. General Motors is spending $888 million on developing an all-new V8 engine for the next-generation Silverado, set to debut in 2027. That investment promises better performance, improved fuel economy, And what's most important, far more reliability. So, you have nearly a billion reasons to skip the current model and wait for the all-new one. The warning's out. These trucks aren't the ones you want. Next up, we are counting down the 4 best pickups that deliver real value in 2026. Number 4. 2026 Nissan Frontier. Under the hood, the midsize truck is still using a V6 engine. A 3.8-liter mill can deliver 310 horsepower and 281 pound-feet of torque, paired with a smooth shifting 9-speed automatic transmission. Inside, the 2026 Nissan Frontier offers a comfortable and practical cabin. Higher trims feature a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The cockpit is designed with durability in mind, featuring user-friendly controls and ample storage options. The Pro 4X trim is equipped with Bilstein shocks, all-terrain tires, and an electronic locking rear differential, ensuring confidence on rugged terrains. With its blend of performance, comfort, and off-road capability, the 2026 Nissan Frontier is good enough for the number 4 on our list. Number 3. 2026 Ford F-350. This is the truck that can tackle the biggest jobs without hesitation. The 2026 Ford F-350 is hard to beat, thanks to the maximum towing capacity hitting an astonishing 40,000 pounds. That puts the Super Duty well out of reach for most of the competition. Ram is planning to introduce a new Cummins 7.2 diesel for its heavy-duty trucks, but that won't arrive until 2027, which means for anyone needing maximum towing and payload this year, the Ford F-350 is the clear choice. It's not just a towing beast. The F-350 can haul serious weight too, with a maximum payload of about 8,000 pounds. The high-output 6.7-liter Power-stroke V8 turbo diesel delivers torque that feels nearly unstoppable. On top of that, you can turn this heavy-duty truck into a rolling luxury suite with high-end trims like Platinum or Limited. Number 2. 2026 Toyota Stout. If you're after a compact truck that blends efficiency, practicality, and a touch of rugged charm, the all-new 2026 Toyota Stout is a standout choice. This isn't just a smaller version of the Tacoma. Built on TNGA-K platform, the same foundation that supports the RAV4 crossover, the Stout promises a car-like driving experience with the versatility of a truck. Under the hood, the pickup offers a hybrid powertrain, balancing power and fuel efficiency. The Maverick has proven that this combo is a hit in the compact truck segment. With an estimated towing capacity of around 3,500 pounds, the 2026 Stout will handle everyday tasks with ease. Toyota delivers a modern, tech-forward cabin with amenities that make every drive enjoyable. Advanced safety features, including Safety Sense 4.0, come standard. It's at number 2 with a reason. It's better than Maverick. Of course, there are still enthusiasts who won't consider a unibody pickup a true truck. Still, they can't deny that this is one of the hottest segments right now, and with Toyota's reliability and hybrid tech, the 2026 Stout is set to be a real game changer, though it's not the last truck on our list. Number 1. 2026 Ram 1500. After a brief hiatus, the legendary 5.7-liter V8 engine makes its triumphant return to the lineup. This drivetrain produces 395 horsepower, but what's more important, it delivers the raw performance that enthusiasts have been missing, and a trusted reliability of the legendary Hemi unit. But the 2026 Ram 1500 isn't just about muscle. It's also about comfort and sophistication. You'll find a cabin that rivals luxury vehicles. The attention to detail is evident, with genuine wood and metal accents throughout, creating an upscale atmosphere that's perfect for both work and play. Ram is also raising the bar with a tungsten trim, putting it on equal footing with the high-end F-150 and Sierra models. In our book, there's no question. The 2026 Ram 1500 is the top truck, worth every penny. You might disagree. Leave a comment with your thoughts or any tweaks you'd make to our list. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you next time.